In this video, we will show you how to install O-ring Boss connections. To install O-ring Boss connections, lightly lubricate the O-ring on the adapter. Thread it into the coupling. Then, hand tighten, ensuring that the O-ring is not pinched during installation. Finally, wrench tighten the connections to the appropriate torque specification. Dixon offers a variety of O-ring Boss connections and adapters. View our full product offering online or give us a call for more recommendations. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please contact us at dixonvalve.com. Be sure to like this video and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.